So short video, guys. You guys did not see Space Zuka's finished sword. Well, here it is. It's like a neon metal sword thing. So we're gonna have one final battle. I'll just set this up. If you forgot how to set it up, you can just watch me again. Okay. So, okay. Now, we're about to fight. Okay, now let's just wait for him. Yes, okay. Begin. No, how is he getting... That was an accident. I am sorry. Oh yeah, you can also have... Oh dang, he's fast. He's actually really good at this. Wow. Okay, yes, I've finally gotten damage. It's hard for me for some reason. Okay, we're both hitting each other. You know, why'd I say that? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, I've one more try. One more hit. One more. Ooh, why do I keep on falling? One more hit. He's right here. Why can't I hit him? Yes! 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 3 gold free. GG. The light side wins. Or the dark side wins. Whichever one. Post in the comments who you want to win. If you want to. No pressure on any comments. Just so you know. Now show them how my sword looks. Yeah, as I said before, it is a neon sword. It's sort of neon metal. It's very cool. 'Tis awesome. What else could I show you? I think that's all for today's video. Just me dueling with Space Zuka. And yeah, yes, that is his sword, yes. But I mean, I guess that's gonna be the end of today's video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for getting to 18 subscribers. Yes, watch my earlier video that was made like less than an hour ago. Yes, watch it. But yes, remember to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Very wow. That sword is yes. Sorry, attack. Attack now. Wow, this sword is good. Actually, this sword, this one, is better than the other sword, apparently. I did not know that. That is... wow. Yep, that sword is definitely better. Did you see how fast I died? That is the end of today's video. Actually, this is like the third time he's saying that. Like and subscribe. Have a great day, people. Bye.